everyone, it's Katie's Crafts here again, and thank you so much for 30 subscribers. I'm really happy about it, and let's just get right on with the video. I'm going to be showing you how to do DIY abstract painting, because if you know me, I love painting in any type, because you can do literally whatever you like. So let's just jump into it. So the first abstract painting I'm going to show you is going to be with a variety of whites, greens, and blues. So I didn't realize this until I was filming, but those two lightish blues here I'm showing you are both called cerulean blue. I think that's how you pronounce it anyway. It's just a funny coincidence. So now I'm just gonna make a little squirt of every single paint color. These are all acrylic paints, by the way. And then you're gonna watch the magic happen. By the way, thanks for 30 subscribers. I'm really happy about it, and I want to start doing shoutouts at the probably ends of my videos. So if you want a shout out, subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment down below #Craftification_Squad. Damn it! Again with too much of that paint, like in the Transformation Challenge episode 1. Go watch it, ha ha ha. Okay, so here's another quick DIY. Get a old gift card or whatever and attach it to some lolly sticks and use it as a palette knife. If you don't know what a palette knife is, it's what people use to make an abstract painting. Now watch this magic. Really cool, right? So just continue like scraping and adding more paint if you like until you're happy with it. So here it is, all finished. So here I'm using a variety of whites, pinks, purples, and blacks. So again, I'm going to squirt a little bit of paint from each little bottle, and then we'll see what happens. Isn't it amazing? And here it is. This one is going to be a smaller one than the last two, but it still turned out really cool. Used reds, oranges, and yellows for this one. I'm just going to do what I did for the last two. And I'm gonna squirt a bit of paint out of each tube onto the canvas. Then, since I had a lot of space left, I went in with a little bit of white and put it in there. Voila! Then I found out I had gotten acrylic paint on my table, but it was okay after a while because acrylic paint comes off really easily on some surfaces, and thankfully that was one of them, so my table was saved. Here's the finished product. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment down below #CraftificationSquad. I'm Kitty's Crafts, your host. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like, you can comment down below what you'd like to see from me next. I hope I'll see you next Sunday. Bye!